I just wanted to do a quick demonstration to show you something that's quite important, I think. After much experimentation, making these slip rings that I was talking about a lot, and tried about half a dozen different flavours, if you like. I went back to an idea that I'd had some time ago, and I thought I'd just try some Teflon washers to replace one of these, because there's two of these in the core, and stack these. Now, I didn't think they'd work because they don't have the little knob on the sides to stop it spinning when the ball catches it, but as you'll see, it seems to be actually beneficial. Now, volume warning, for the first minute, literally about a minute, it will be quite loud, but it's the interesting bit is what happens after that minute. And there you go. After a minute, it's almost as if it's lifted off the surface slightly, off the base. I don't know, because I can't see in there. I'm also running these 4 coils, which were designed to take rudimentary readings of any voltage that it might be generating, and I've linked them in series and turned them into a tank circuit. And I think there's some resonance happening where it's helping it. But yeah, so it takes about a minute to get there, and then when I switch it all off, it takes about 2 minutes to come to a stop, and I'll just leave it running for that time just so you can see. Be interested if anybody could put in the comments what they think might be happening. And there you go. Oh, it's still spinning.